Guku mirurungano ya mbeu njithi thite na mbere na gutabanio kundu gutiganite guothe bururi-ini. Mbeu njithi rungu rwa gikundi kia Gen Z nimoritio kwamba kuhumuka na kwe President William Ruto kanya ka gwetha kihonia mateta maria maheanite. Ritana ririkitio ni Archbishop wa kanitha wa ACK Johnson ore SAPIT hindi ya giikaro na andiki a mohoro akiuga President Ruto ni igwite mateta mao na ni ambiririe kumethera kihonia kuonania atianiire watho wa kigina ona ningi akibunja ndundu yake ya maminista kweheria budget ya wabici ya mutumia wa President hamwe na budget ya wabici ya mutumia wa munini wa President ona oroho agikira kirore watho wa kuhotomia kumbo kwa kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka IEBC.
We appreciate the IEBC Amendment Bill 24 months of all who are charged with running of these critical sectors. We see the current crisis not as the Kenya we want.
Moriti ayuthia ya kwe President kahinda kaiganu gagwicokaniria niguo ahote kurunga thirikari yake kuria kungikoro kugomete.
Please desist from actions that will jeopardize the very future that we are all fighting for. We appeal to protesters to suspend protest and give government time to attend to the raft of demands.
Ona gukire uguo SAPIT ni oritie President gwika mituki na guthinga mahoro ma kuria mbeca cia muingi irorira niguo mbeca ici huthike gukinyaniria tabarira ngurani cia kuguna muingi.
We say no to a culture of impunity, corruption, continuous violence, tribalism, poor services delivery, especially on essential sectors like health, education and agriculture.
Iguru ria maya mothe SAPIT ni akumithitie maabitha borithi ni kuhuthira hinya mukiruku hindi ya kung'ethanira na arurungani o ndumwe na kunyitwo migwate kwa andu na gucungiriria amwe ao kuonekana makuite.
We demand that abductions must stop and those held in police custody must be released immediately or produced in court for possible prosecution if there is any criminal against anyone.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Gitau wa Njuguna.